What is going on, my YouTube family? Money Squad. It's Emoneyshoes back. I know it's been a small hiatus, trying to let my videos catch up to each other. YouTube will not let me be great, so hey, it is what it is. We are slowly moving. I think we like 30 away or 40 away from 6,500, on our way to a pit stop at 7,500 and to the ultimate goal, 10K before the year is over. Couple announcements, call outs this week on the Who Has the Heat channel, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. No, correction, 7:30 p.m. Standard Time. We're going to all be in the building. The 6313 Retro Queen, McFlyKOF, PMKICKZ. Then the following week, we're going to be litty in the city because we're going to be Who Has the Heat Season 6. And you don't want to miss it. Now that I got all of that out the way, let's get into this. A nostalgic shoe, a very dope shoe, a shoe that avoided me back in the day, and it almost avoided me this time too with all those bots, but I would not be denied a nostalgic 90s basketball shoe. Actually, it was the shoe that led the way. As you can see, pump it up, Reebok, custom fit, all of that stuff. You have a PP personal pair, size 10.5, pump, Omni Zone 2 men's. The one that dropped a couple years ago was the light. It was like a mid. This is the full high. Y'all know about D Brown pumping it up before he got ready to go into the dunk. And actually, then you had Nike try to do their version with the big pump on the back. But Reebok, the black tops and all of that were the originators of the pump to give you that support. So here it is. Got your paper label. It just touched down, so I wanted to share it with my family, my Ohana. And look at that. So lovely, so beautiful, so simple, but yet so dope. And it's a heavy shoe. It's a basketball shoe, of course. But hey, it is what it is. Bam and bam. Look at that. Ooh, nostalgia at its greatest. Everybody like, nah, I would never wear that shoe. For those of you who are older, you know about this shoe. Very, very dope. D Brown dunk competition with them hated Boston Celtics. I'm a Laker fan, so I just had to throw that in there. But dope nonetheless. Just how I remember the shoe. I always do the left underneath the bottom. You see you got white, so that's gonna drive people crazy. You gotta keep that clean. And you got your little hexalite unit in there. As you can see, you got your hair, some wave, can't quite say herringbone traction in the, like a Volt, I don't know what color it is, like an orange, just call it orange, right? Basketball orange. Coming around on the toe box, ooh, you got some really good leather, and as you can see the cuts in it. I likes it a lot. And you got the perforated holes. You got your regular tongue right here, black laces. So you got to keep all of this OG. Ain't no lace swap, all that stuff. You got your stitched in Reebok right there, basketball, and then you go right here. That's to tighten it up around the shoe. And then your release valve right here. Right? Like so. Then you come around on the side. You can see you got the midsole, mud guard, and all of that stuff. Reebok stitching is on point with the trademark R. And you see you got the pump. You got a little bit of breathability right here. Come around on the butt. Hexalite TM. And you got your meshes all black around this part. I don't know if I'm gonna have to dust off the kneecaps, the knee braces, and go play some ball in these joints. But I will say they are heavy by today's standard. How in the hell did D Brown dunk in these shoes? But he's a skinny guy, so I guess. But boy, these joints are like bricks. They are pretty heavy. Okay, medium side. Pretty much white, no Reebok stitching, no none of that stuff in there as well. So that's pretty much the shoe. You got black inside, QR code, all of that with the stuffing. So on a little meter, we'll give this about a 4.8 out of 5. You let me know what you think about this. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.